Welcome to Om Bhagavad Seva Samiti channel. Today is Vinayaka Chauthi festival. So on this day, most of Hindus they pray Sri Vinayaka. Today is a auspicious day because it is Sri Vinayaka Chauthi festival. Procedure for Vinayaka Puja. In case of Vinayaka, normally what we have to do is we should pray, means stuti we have to do of 12 names of Vinayaka. That is Pratamam Vakratundam Ekadantam Ditiyekam Trutiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavaktam Chaturtakam Panchamam Lambodaram Cha Sashtam Vikatamevacha Saptamam Vignarajam Dhumravana Tahastrakam Navamam Falachandram Ta Dashamam Tu Vinayakam Ekadashim Ganapatim Dvadashim Tu Gajananam. These 12 names after chanting, then what we have to do? Sri Adi Shankaracharya has written Vinayaka Pancharatna Malika. So we have to do the prayer as per that Vinayaka Pancharatna Malika, and then we have to do prayer Sankata Nashana Vimochana Vinayaka Stotramu. By doing all this, we will be completing the Vinayaka Chauthi maximum festival. Then there are famous temples in South India of Vinayaka. In Andhra Pradesh, Kanipaka Vinayaka, Ainavolu Vinayaka are very famous. Kanipaka Vinayaka is called as Siddhi Vinayaka, and then coming to Telangana, in Srisailam we have got a Sakshi Vinayaka, and in Sikandrabad we have near Sikandrabad station Ganapati Devalayam. This is very old and famous temple. These are the temples in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. If you go to Maharashtra state, in Mumbai you have Siddhi Vinayaka temple. In that Siddhi Vinayaka temple, side by Siddhi Vinayaka, one side there is a Siddhi and another side there is a Vruddhi, both wives of Siddhi Vinayaka. So Siddhi Vinayaka temple is very famous in Maharashtra, in Bombay. Once when Amitabh Bachchan was injured in Bangalore during film shooting, his wife Jaya Bachchan prayed Siddhi Vinayaka at Mumbai, and after Amitabh Bachchan got his health well, then she came to the temple and she donated or distributed cloths to all poor people near the Siddhivinayak temple. Such a famous temple is Siddhivinayaka temple in Mumbai. In addition to that, in Maharashtra there are Ashtavinayaka, means there are total 8 Vinayaka temples which are very famous in Maharashtra. So these are the important temples in Maharashtra, and I also told you about Telangana and Andhra temples. Then Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapas. These actually Balagangadhar Tilak, at the time of independence struggle, he started this Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapa in Pune first. Then this spread to complete Pune, and in Pune, Daudu Shet Halwai Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapa is very famous. Then there are various other Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapas in Pune. Then coming to Mumbai, in Mumbai, Lal Bagh Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapa is very famous. They spend lakhs of rupees on this Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapa and they will have it for 9 days. Means Navaratri it is called. So all these Samuhika Vinayakas 9 days people normally in Mumbai they are busy. So what they will do, they start in the evening 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock with the family and throughout night they visit all Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapas in Mumbai city and by the time they return back to home it will be 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. So full night they will see all Vinayaka, Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapas in Mumbai. So these are the Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapas. Coming to Telangana, in Telangana you have a Balapur Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapam where Laddu is auctioned for lakhs of rupees. People purchase it and that Laddu they will spread it in their farm and they feel that they will good crop because of spreading of that laddu. So that is the thinking of the people in Balapur. Then in Khairatabad there is a Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapa. It is very famous in Hyderabad. This Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapa in Khairatabad, people visit 24 hours, that is day and night. There will be a lot of queue to see the Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapam at Khairatabad. So to have a darshan, they feel it is auspicious and their whatever desires are there, they are fulfilled by Khairatabad Samuhika Vinayaka. So all the people, most of them in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, they try to visit Khairatabad Samuhika Vinayaka Mandapam. In case of foreign countries, there are temples of Vinayaka in various foreign countries like Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia and various other countries in the world. These temples they will call in their local language the deity and they pray that Vinayaka. So Vinayaka is not only prayed or festival is done only in India but is in all over world. So Vinayaka is very, very famous for giving fulfilling the desires. He is called as Prathama Pujita and even all devatas means gods, they also do first puja of Vinayaka, then only they will pray to others. We also in all human beings, that is public, we do first puja to Vinayaka. It is called as a Prathama Puja Rudu, Vinayakudu. Then after doing the Prathama Puja of Vinayaka, then only we do all other pujas like Satyanarayana Vratamu, Lalita Sahasranama Devi Vratamu, etc. So he is well known as a Prathama Pujita. He fulfills desires of the people. Mainly he gives education and siddhi and vriddhi. So people pray him for fulfilling their desires. We can pray as a God to keep the total universe happy and with their good health they should be lived throughout their life. that is we have to wish, we have to pray for Sri Vinayaka on this auspicious Vinayaka Chauthi day festival. So, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Thank you.